Hey guys, Chet here. Today I'm going to show you how to track customer journeys inside of Brevo. Now, if you've ever wondered how your contacts move from one step to the next or what they do after joining your list, Brevo's automation tools really give you a clear way to follow every part of the journey. So, let's walk through it. But before we begin, if you're new to Brevo, you can actually get 50% off of the starter and business plans for your first 3 months by using the link we put down in the description. You'll also get access to my complete Brevo course, which walks you through everything you need to know to master the platform step by step. Let's get started. First off, make sure that you log into your account. Then look at the left sidebar and click Automations, then open the Workflows section. Now, this page shows all of the automations that you've already created. Now, you can see which ones are active, paused, or inactive. Every single workflow here represents a customer journey. When a contact moves through a workflow, Brevo tracks their steps and shows you exactly what is happening. To create a new journey, click on the Create an Automation button right at the top right. Brevo will open a window with different ready-made templates. You will see options like welcome message, marketing activity, abandoned cart, product purchase, and anniversary date. Now, these templates already include the basic steps for common journeys. You can pick one of these, or you can create one from scratch if you like, if you want full control, really. But for this tutorial, we'll just choose the welcome email template. Now, once you choose a template or start from scratch, Brevo opens the automation editor. Now, this is where the magic happens. This is where you build the customer journey. The very first block in every automation is the trigger. Triggers tell Brevo when a journey should begin. On the left side, you will see all of the trigger options. These include contact added to list, contact removed from list, contact matches custom filters, contact is in a segment, form submitted, email opened, link clicked in an email, and several conversation events. Choosing the right trigger, though, is very important because it will define the starting point of that particular customer's journey. After setting the trigger, you can add the next steps. For example, many journeys begin with a delay. You might have a wait 2 days block, just like the welcome message example you shared. After that, you can add actions like send an email, assign a tag, move the contact to another list, or even apply conditions that check if the contact opened or clicked something. Each block inside the workflow represents one part of the customer journey. As contacts pass through these steps, Brevo tracks their progress. If you want to split the journey based on behavior, you can use the conditions under the Rules tab. These will help you track engagement in real time. So, for example, you can create a path for people who opened your email and a different path for people who did not engage at all. This gives you a clear picture of what your audience is doing in every single step. Once your journey is built, look at the top of the editor. You'll see two very important buttons. The first one is Activate Automation. This will start the journey for real contacts. The second one is Test. Now, this one, by definition, will let you test the workflow with a sample contact to make sure that everything is working before you make it live. So, that's how you track customer journeys in Brevo. Build your workflow, set your triggers, add steps, and let Brevo do the tracking for you. Don't forget, if you want to get started with Brevo, make sure to use that link that we put in the description. You get 50% off the starter and business plans for your first 3 months. It also unlocks a full Brevo course that will teach you how to use the entire platform step by step so you can master it quickly. Now, if you found this video helpful, feel free to like and subscribe. As always, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.